Tesla analyst breaks down delivery report. Tesla analyst Dan Ives of Wedbush released a new note on Friday morning, just after the company released production and delivery figures for Q4 and the full year of 2025, stating that the numbers, while slightly underwhelming, are better than feared and as a step in the right direction. Tesla reported production of 434,358 and deliveries of 418,227 for the fourth quarter, while 1,654,667 vehicles were produced and 1,636,129 cars were delivered for the full year. Tesla releases Q4 and FY 2025 vehicle delivery and production report. Interestingly, the company posted its own consensus figures that were compiled from various firms on its website a few days ago, where expectations were set at 1,640,752 cars for the year. Tesla fell about 4,000 units short of that. One of the areas where Tesla excelled was energy deployments, which totaled 46.7 gigawatt-hours for the year. Wedbush's Dan Ives has released a new note on Tesla. Tesla announced its FY4 Q25 delivery numbers this morning, coming in at 418.2K vehicles, slightly below the company's consensus delivery estimate of 422.9K, but much better than the whisper numbers. In terms of vehicle deliveries, Ives writes that Tesla certainly has some things to work through if it wants to return to growth in that aspect, especially with the loss of the $7,500 tax credit in the USA and continuous headwinds for the company in Europe. However, Ives also believes that, given the delivery numbers, which were on par with expectations, Tesla is positioned well for a strong 2026, especially with its AI focus, robotaxi and cybercab development, and energy. This will be viewed as better than feared deliveries and a step in the right direction for the Tesla story heading into 2026. We look forward to hearing more at the company's 4Q25 call on January 28th. AI valuation, the focus throughout 2026. We believe Tesla could reach a $2 trillion market cap over the coming year and, in a bull case scenario, $3 trillion by the end of 2026, as full-scale volume production begins with the autonomous and robotics roadmap. The company has started to test the all-important cybercab in Austin over the past few weeks, which is an incremental step towards launching in 2026 with important volume production of cybercabs starting in April-May, which remains the golden goose in unlocking TSLA's AI valuation. It's no secret that for the past several years, Tesla's vehicle delivery numbers have been the main focus of investors, and analysts have looked at them as an indicator of company health to a certain extent. The problem with that narrative in 2025 and 2026 is that Tesla is now focusing more on the deployment of full self-driving, its Optimus project, AI development, and cybercab. While vehicle deliveries still hold importance, it is more crucial to note that Tesla's overall environment as a business relies on much more than just how many cars are purchased. That metric, to a certain extent, is fading in importance in the grand scheme of things, but it will never totally disappear. Ives and Wedbush maintained their $600 price target and an outperform rating on the stock. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.